Condemned South Carolina inmates speaking out today in court.
This morning, Stephen Bigsby was in front of a Greenville County judge as the court tried to determine whether he can be executed. Our Nate Stanley was in the courtroom, joining us now with more on the details. Nate.
And Rashad, back in March, Bigsby was granted an appeal by the South Carolina Supreme Court to see if he is in fact mentally competent enough to face execution. Today's hearing was strictly procedural. However, as you'll see, Bigsby did not leave without letting the court know his opinion.
All right, with that, we will adjourn the hearing. Your Honor, I'd like to address one issue of two words that have been said so far at the beginning of your statement. One is jurisdiction, and the other is adjudication.
That's the moment death row inmate Stephen Bigsby spoke up during Friday morning's court proceedings. Bigsby is on death row for shooting and killing two members of law enforcement during a standoff in 2003. This March, the state Supreme Court ruled that Bigsby could be given a competency hearing before he was executed in line with state and federal law. On Friday, his lawyers and representatives from the Attorney General's and 8th Circuit Solicitor's Office met with a judge to schedule those hearings. Solicitor David Stumbo says his office is hoping to see this case end soon.
This is something that, this happened in 2003, and we're still here in 2025, and the sentence hasn't been carried out.
Both sides agreed the state should have access to Bigsby's medical records and agreed on the timeline for the next hearings. Bigsby interrupted the judge, claiming the court has not been accepting motions he's filed.
First of all, it's never been proven that the state has jurisdiction, period. Second of all, is the fact that I filed since 2004, I filed over 17 different filings with the courts that have never been constitutionally adjudicated.
The judge told Bigsby he'd be able to file appeals with his lawyers. Bigsby said he should be able to address the court without his attorneys.
Your Honor, I just wanted it on the record because I've never been allowed to say what I have a right to say. I've been blocked all the way through. And that's a violation of South Carolina Constitution and the United States Constitution.
And Nate, what were the dates these legal teams settled on?
Well, Carol, both the state and Bigsby's lawyers agreed to meet on either August 21st or August 22nd to get the specific times and dates of that meeting. They will decide that by May 2nd. Reporting in Greenville, Nate Stanley, WIFF News 4.